How to view or modify a reservation on Hertz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open the Hertz reservation management page. Here you'll find this kind of screen. Simply you'll need to type your confirmation or rental record. Simply type in. Then at the bottom, click on last name and press on find rental. After you find rental, review reservation details, and then click modify if you want to modify. If not, you can simply view it, and after you've clicked on modify, you can change dates, times, and after that it will show you updated price and confirm. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to view or modify a reservation on Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.